Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's this little baby. This is from Keenstone and it's a dual battery pack with dual charger, and it cost me about £22, and I'll stick a link on the video description in case you want to check it out. Yeah, £22, and the reason I bought this because I already have one camera that has a mains connection to it, and I was thinking about getting a mains connection for my Panasonic GH5, and I thought, do I really want to plug it into the mains and have to keep unplugging it, plugging it back in every time I want to move it somewhere? And I thought, no, I'd rather have extra batteries. So that's why I bought this. This will give me 4 batteries in total. It should be more than enough for what I need it for. Whether I'm out and about or just filming in here, I can move the camera about and not have to worry about, waiting to charge up the battery. So 4 batteries, and not only that, because it's a dual battery charger, I can put the one that came with the camera, I can put that one away and just use this, because this will be charging up to it at the same time. So with that, shall we see what you're going to get for your money? Yeah, it comes from a company called Keenstone. I'll quickly show you around the box. Doesn't tell you much. It just says battery for DSLR cameras with dual charger. Oh yeah, it comes with another little feature as well. It comes with a lens cleaner, which is this little baby here. So basically, it's just a puffer, yeah. So it just blows the dust away, which I thought was quite good. So what you get in the box? So you get 2 batteries. I wouldn't expect these to last as long as the Panasonic ones, but you never know. So you should get 2 of them, which we do, and the charger, and I think that's about it. I've had this for quite a while and I haven't even done the unboxing yet. So what you get in the box? Oh, it's quite tiny. It's smaller than I thought it'd be. So there it is. It says Keenstone on the front. It's made of plastic. It's got a couple of little pins for your batteries to sit on. And that's about it really. Let's have a look at the lead. Hopefully it won't be too short, because that would be a pain in the butt. Oh, might be alright. Might be a good little length. Looking at that, I would say probably about 500mm at a guess. Yeah, probably about 5. That should be long enough. Nice thick cable, by the way. So it plugs into a USB connection. So something like your mobile phone, it plug into the power connection on that. Basically, it's the same connection. So first impressions, wasn't expecting nothing, fantastic, like high quality and that, but it looks as though it's going to be good enough to do the job. Plugs in, easy. Do I really need to read the instructions? I will glance over them and have a quick read. Actually, did I see any instructions? I don't think I did. There's nothing in the box. There's nothing in there, so no instructions. Unless it's in the batteries. I wouldn't have thought so. What's it say? Don't disassemble, it says. Let's have a look at one of the batteries. So Keenstone battery pack for Panasonics. So 7.2 volt, 2000 milliamps, 14.4 W8. Caution, do not disassemble. I'm not going to disassemble no battery. Let's see how she sits in there. So the idea is, that goes in there like that. Don't forget, this is only for charging, yeah? And the way it works is it must have a light on it. We'll have a little light on there. You see that? And it will tell you how it's going. I'll tell you what, we will set her up right now and we'll do a quick look test. Let's see what she looks like when you turn her on. So right, we have 2 flashing reds. Obviously it's got a charge in it. Oh, so 2 flashing reds goes to a solid red, so that means it's charging. So it's charging, fully charged goes to green. So that's how it's going to sit. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. It's probably going to take an hour or two, but doesn't it actually tell you how long it will take? Oh, what's this on the bottom? There's some information on the bottom. Oh, it just tells you more instructions. Here we go. Just basically tells you what we thought anyway. It will be red as soon as it's charged up. It will go green. So this hopefully will be my new charger for my batteries. And to get this little baby here, which cleanses your lens. Just a little blower. Nice little touch, I thought. So what we're going to do, we're going to charge it up, and obviously I'm going to swap over the batteries. Right, so it took about 2.5 hours to charge up, which I thought was about the right time for its first charge. You know, we're charging 2 batteries at the same time on this little charger, and 2.5 hours I thought was reasonable. One of them's missing, as you can see, and that's because it's in the camera. I've actually put it in the camera because obviously I want to test the batteries, see how good they are, and make sure they actually work for my camera, which they do, which is what I bought them for. If they didn't work, I would have sent them back. So yeah, very pleased with that. Very pleased with the charger, the fact that it can charge up 2 batteries at the same time. I would recommend that if you're going to be using these batteries, I'm sure you already know this, but I'm just going to remind you, don't let it get below the 1 bar marker, because that will mean it will take longer to charge up for a start, and you may damage the batteries or lessen their lifespan. So always think about, you know, when to change your battery, whether it's on 1 bar or 2 bar. I normally like to change them as soon as they hit the 2 bar mark, but it's entirely up to you. I wouldn't let them go below the 1 bar mark. That's my personal experience. I've always done that, and it's always been good for me, and I haven't had to change batteries very often because of that, or chuck them away and replace them. I've now got 4 batteries. I've got 2 of this make, 1 of Panasonic's and 1 of a totally different brand. So hopefully these are very good. It says it's 200 milli or 2000 milliamps, I should say, battery. So that should be pretty good. They should last quite a bit of time. Hopefully as long as the Panasonic's. And I will give you an update in the future to let you know roughly how long they are lasting for as well. So my thoughts are very pleased. For the amount of money I paid, £22, you're getting a dual charger plus 2 batteries for £22, and a little puffer, this little baby in here, a little puffer to clean off your lenses. I thought it was excellent value for money. £22, I mean, you can't knock that. And I will stick a link in there so you can go to the Amazon website and check it out for yourself in case you want one. So with that, definitely gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. £22, well worth the money. 2 batteries.